If you want to set a custom keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy A27, then unfortunately you cannot use the Samsung keyboard and create your own custom theme, simply because the standard Samsung keyboard that we have on this phone does not allow us to create own themes. What you can do instead is you can download another keyboard from the Play Store, which allows you to do so. So for example, I think the most popular choice is going to be Gboard or Google Keyboard. And this is the keyboard I'm talking about. I'm gonna install it, and in fact, this keyboard is used on most of Android smartphones. So, of course, it is actually not installed on Galaxy A27 because Samsung uses their own keyboard, but we can easily install the Gboard app on our phone, and then we can use this keyboard on Samsung Galaxy as well. So once we have it downloaded, once it is installed, you want to open it. Then you want to go to Enable in Settings over here, and you want to turn on the Gboard over here and press OK. Then we're gonna go back, choose Select Input Method, and you want to switch to Gboard over here and tap on Done. Right after that, you will immediately open Settings of Gboard. So that's pretty good because now we can just immediately go to Theme, and then over here we have this plus button at the top, which allows you to choose the picture that should be used and the background of your keyboard. So let's say I'm going to choose this picture over here. I'm going to tap on Done. We should still be able to adjust the picture. We can zoom in, zoom out, and move it left, right, up, and down. And once you adjust it, we can tap on Next, and then you can also adjust the brightness of that background. And once you set it up, just tap on Done. You can also toggle key borders over here and tap on Apply button. And there we go. Now we have our own custom theme on our keyboard. Leave a like and subscribe.